everyone, today I'm showing you how to make an easy pulao. It doesn't have any onion or garlic and it tastes very delicious. You don't really need any expensive ingredients for this. So here we have some peas. These are frozen, and this is one beetroot I have because my son likes it, and this is a potato, and this is peeled and clean carrot here, and the spices would be cinnamon, this anise flower, bay leaf, some cloves, and green chilies. And here I have 2 cups of rice and oil, or you can add ghee. I've added just around 2 teaspoons of oil here. It doesn't really require a lot. You can even do 1 teaspoon. Now add all the spices and some chilies. Mix this everything up. Now this is garam masala, this is coriander powder and salt. So let me add this. There's 1 and 2, and then add 1 spoon of this garam masala, and the salt as per the taste. Yes, we can check the salt later and add more if required. Give this a good mix. So now why I'm not adding the peas yet is because once I add these masalas, there is a chance that it might need some liquid or few drops of water to what exactly I'm trying to say is that it might get charred, the masalas and everything, they'll stick to the bottom of the pan. So today I'm doing it in a pressure cooker. You could also do this in an instant pot. Now all this is mixed. Now I'm going to add the peas. So here it gives some moisture. Now we will add water. I have taken almost 2 cups of rice, so I'm going to add around 4 cups of water. I have added water. This is how it looks now. So we will be adding rice now, and the flame could be a medium flame. Yes, medium flame is better here, or you could do it on low flame also, and then you can increase the flame. So let's add the rice. I washed it. So this is how it looks. I added the rice, I checked the salt, everything. It looks perfect. Now we're going to cover the lid and the whistle, 2 whistles. And I'm going to increase the flame to around 7 would be great for 2 whistles, which would take around, I say, 10 to 15 minutes. It will be done, and then we will see how it turns out. Okay, let's open this. The pressure has gone. Wow, look at that. Beautiful fluffy rice. Just about right. And now just give it a gentle mix. Look at the right grains, how individual grains they are. Well, I just plated it. This is the end result. can't wait to eat it. Still so hot. Let it cool down a little bit and then I'm gonna eat it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Your support is of great help to me. Thank you again.